Well, the cut of the top rate to 15% for businesses, on the face of it, is huge. But in practical terms, businesses have a lot of deductions. Very few of them pay anything close to that rate. And so, as always, the devil's in the detail. The question is what they're going to do to change deductibilities and how much the effective business tax rate will really be changed. Lowering the taxes on businesses to the extent it makes them more productive is good. And in fact, it's the one thing in this bill that really is for the small man, because if it has an impact, it'll help to create jobs. Well, it could help small businesses the most because they have less tax flexibility, they have less planning, they have less ability to do tax carry forwards and other kinds of things. So it could have a much bigger impact on small business. I think the key here is the impact on business, because the key is if you can cut their taxes, you can get them to bring jobs back, to bring business back, and to create jobs which will then really matriculate down and help the working man, because the working man can actually have a job. While they're paring these individual brackets, knocking them down, giving us a little bit more choice and a little bit more reduction for the lower income levels, the fact that they take away the deductibility of state and local income taxes is going to have a disproportionately harsh impact on the high income states that already are paying heavily into the system and supporting the poorer states. There's a lot of giveaway for high income people. But let's remember this. When you have tax reform, when you cut taxes, you benefit the people who pay taxes. If you thought that there was going to be a lot of stuff in here for low income people, you just weren't thinking. It doesn't seem to me like it's got the right balance to pass. It seems to me it doesn't raise revenues. It seems to me that it attacks all the states, particularly the large states. I know that you're going to get some pushback from people on the large business tax rate cut. They're also going to eliminate the alternative minimum tax, which helps the ultra wealthy. And there's a lot in here for wealthy people. I think probably a lot more than you need to have. But it's a proposal. And now it's bargaining season. It's like it's hunting season. And we'll see, what gets hunted and what survives and what doesn't.